Welcome back to the channel, and prepare to have your idea of a camper van completely revolutionized. What you're looking at isn't a concept from a sci-fi movie. It's the brand new Tricycle RV camper for 2026, and it's redefining the term compact motorhome. This is truly an unbelievable mashup of a scooter, a microcar, and a fully functional miniature RV designed for the next generation of travelers. The first thing that grabs your attention is that unique, almost adorable three-wheel design. It's unlike anything else on the road, blending the futuristic with a touch of retro charm. That single front wheel and smooth, rounded fascia give it an unmistakable personality. It's engineered for ultimate maneuverability, making tight city parking and navigating narrow European or mountain streets an absolute breeze. But don't let the compact exterior fool you. Step inside, and you're greeted by a remarkably well-lit and surprisingly spacious cabin. The windows, especially the large panoramic ones up front and on the sides, flood the interior with natural light, making the beige and gold accents pop. The attention to detail here is stellar, focusing on quality and modern aesthetics. Notice the subtle gold trim lines running along the side of the pristine white body, a touch of affordable luxury that elevates its design far beyond utilitarian. This isn't just a vehicle for camping. It's a statement piece built with high-quality, durable materials that promise both comfort and longevity for the minimalist traveler. Now let's talk power and efficiency. While the exact final specs are still emerging, this new electric Tricycle RV is rumored to feature an advanced all-electric powertrain. This makes it whisper-quiet, incredibly eco-friendly, and perfect for accessing those stunning natural reserves where combustion engines are often restricted. This unique camper isn't just about travel. It's about freedom, affordability, and downsizing without sacrificing the core adventure experience. Think of the adventures you could have: a weekend trip to a secluded beach, an impromptu overnight stay in a scenic overlook, or just being able to pull up and park right in the heart of a charming old town. So what do you think of this tiny titan of the road? Is this three-wheeled design the future of travel? Or is it just too small for your grand adventures? We want to hear your take. Drop a comment below and let us know if you'd trade your current setup for this groundbreaking micro camper. If you're as excited about the future of compact electric camping as we are, make sure to smash that like button right now. And for all the latest details, reviews, and a sneak peek at the full interior tour that we'll be dropping soon, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss our full deep dive into the 2026 Tricycle RV camper.